Good morning. We have a 2014 Honda CRF110F for sale. It has 42.1 hours on it. Oil has been changed every 10 hours of use or more frequently. There are no problems. Everything's fresh. Fork seals are good. Plenty of tread left on the tires. The carburetor has just been rebuilt with fresh jets and seals, so there's no problems with jets being clogged up from ethanol fuel. It has a new battery under here. No problems to speak of. It's pretty much a brand new bike. The add-ons that have been put on it are of course the ProTaper bars and bash pad, ProTaper grips, and a BBR aluminum skid plate, BBR folding shift lever, and the Tugger seat strap that help you lift it up and move it around. It's great for loading it in and out of trucks. So anyway, here we go. This is a cold start. The engine is cold. It's about 50 degrees out this morning. This hasn't been started, so we'll go through a cold start on it and show that it doesn't have any problems idling or starting up with the new battery. Didn't even turn over one time before it fired. Probably needs a little choke because it's cold out this morning. Great little bike. We had fun with it. It's been sitting in the garage for about 2 years. My son outgrew it, and it's time to send it to a new home. Make a great Christmas present for some new rider.